Okay, with the new season almost upon us, many of you are going to be thinking of going abroad, and this is a question that I've seen come up quite a few times on forums and actually in my own channel. How do you change the clocks, including the speedo, from miles to kilometres? I shall show you. It's actually quite easy. Can you see that? I'm guessing you can. Right, so first thing, ignition on. Okay, make sure you're in Odo, and then press and hold the left button here. Can you see that? Yeah. And then press the right button to cycle through, and I'll show you the cycle. Okay, so we've gone to kilometres and litres per 100 kilometres. Now we've gone to kilometres and kilometres per litre. Now we've gone to miles and mile per gallon US. And now back round to miles and miles per gallon UK. Sorry, I should have pointed that out up here. MPG UK and litres per kilometre, kilometres an hour, kilometres per litre and kilometres an hour, MPG US and miles per hour, and MPG UK and miles per hour. It's as simple as that, and then you just let go of the left button, and whatever setting you've left it on the cycle is where it'll be. It really is that simple.